In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage clients in Basecamp. We'll walk through the process of adding clients to a project so they can collaborate with you in a clear, organized way. I'll explain what you're doing at each stage so it makes sense, not just where to click. First, open your Basecamp account and head to the specific project where you want to manage your clients. This might be a client's ongoing project, a campaign, or anything else you've already set up. Once you're inside that project, look for the option labeled Set Up People. This is where you control who has access to the project, including your internal team and external clients. When you click Set Up People, you'll see different sections for people on the project. Find the tab or section labeled Clients. This area is dedicated to anyone outside your company who needs limited but meaningful access to the project, like customers, stakeholders, or partners. Next, click on Add Clients. This is the starting point for inviting new client users into the project. Basecamp will take you to a screen where you can configure how these clients will join and what they'll see once they're in. On this screen, you'll notice fields and highlighted areas where you can specify details. Click on the highlighted area to begin setting up the client access. Here, you'll typically add client names and email addresses and decide which tools or sections inside the project they should be able to view. Take a moment to think about what your clients actually need to see. For example, you might give them access to messages and to-dos, but keep internal-only discussions or drafts hidden. You'll also see a box where you can type your personal note. Click into that area and write a short, clear message that explains why they're being invited and what they can do in Basecamp. Something like, "Hi, I'm adding you to this project so you can follow our progress, review updates, and share feedback in one place." A friendly, specific note helps clients feel comfortable using the tool. Once you've filled everything out, confirm and save your changes using the available button or highlighted control on the screen. After that, you can click on the Back to Clients option to return to the main client management view for the project. Here, you'll see a summary of the clients on this project. If it's a brand new setup, you might see a message that says no clients are on this project yet. After you've added them, this area will update to list each client you've invited, making it easy to review who has access and manage them over time.